Luxury cars, the pinnacle of automotive excellence, where every detail is meticulously crafted to perfection. It's where art meets engineering and dreams meet reality, creating an unparalleled driving experience. Luxury cars aren't just about getting from point A to point B. They embody sophistication, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. They represent a statement, an experience, a lifestyle. Owning a luxury car is about embracing a world of elegance and prestige. But what exactly defines a luxury car? Is it the brand, the design, the performance, or the exclusivity? Join us as we explore the elements that make these vehicles truly extraordinary. It begins with unparalleled craftsmanship. Each luxury car is a masterpiece, meticulously crafted with the finest materials and attention to every detail. From hand-stitched leather seats to exquisite wood trims and cutting-edge technology, every element is designed to offer the ultimate in comfort and sophistication. But luxury isn't just skin deep. Underneath the opulent exterior lies advanced engineering that delivers a driving experience like no other. Whether it's the roar of a V12 engine, the smooth silence of an electric motor, or the perfect balance of a hybrid powertrain, luxury cars offer performance that thrills the senses. The experience goes beyond just the power under the hood. It's about the meticulous craftsmanship of the interior, the advanced technology that enhances every drive, and the feeling of absolute control as you navigate through scenic roads. Luxury cars are designed to provide an unparalleled driving experience, combining speed, comfort, and innovation in every journey. From the moment you start the engine to the second you arrive at your destination, every detail is crafted to perfection. Safety and innovation go hand in hand. Luxury cars are often at the forefront of automotive technology, featuring advanced driver assistance systems, cutting-edge infotainment, and unparalleled connectivity. These vehicles are equipped with state-of-the-art safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The integration of these technologies not only enhances the driving experience, but also ensures the highest level of safety for both the driver and passengers. The infotainment systems in luxury cars are designed to provide seamless connectivity, offering features like voice control, navigation, and smartphone integration. With continuous advancements, luxury cars are setting new standards in the automotive industry, making them a symbol of innovation and safety. But perhaps what sets luxury cars apart the most is the status they confer. Driving a luxury car is a symbol of success, a reflection of one's achievements and refined taste. The allure of these vehicles goes beyond their engineering marvels and aesthetic appeal. They are a testament to the owner's journey, a narrative of hard work and dedication. Each curve and contour of a luxury car tells a story of precision and craftsmanship, embodying the pinnacle of automotive excellence. Inside, the opulence continues. The finest materials and cutting-edge technology create an environment of unparalleled comfort and sophistication. Owning a luxury car is not just about transportation, it's about making a statement. It's about being part of an exclusive club where excellence is the norm. In the world of luxury cars, every detail is meticulously crafted to offer an experience that is both unique and extraordinary. From the timeless elegance of Rolls-Royce and Bentley, which have set the standard for luxury and sophistication for decades, to the dynamic performance and thrilling speed of Ferrari and Lamborghini, capturing the essence of Italian craftsmanship and passion. Then there's the innovative luxury of Tesla, revolutionizing the automotive industry with cutting-edge technology and sustainability. And Porsche, blending tradition with modernity to create a unique driving experience. Each brand tells its own story of excellence, heritage, and a relentless pursuit of perfection, captivating the hearts of car enthusiasts around the world. These iconic brands not only represent the pinnacle of automotive engineering, but also embody a lifestyle of luxury, power and prestige. Their vehicles are more than just modes of transportation. They are symbols of status, success, and a deep appreciation for the art of car making. In the end, a luxury car is more than a vehicle. It's a journey towards perfection, towards making every drive an extraordinary experience. It's about the seamless blend of technology and craftsmanship, where every detail is meticulously designed to cater to your senses. From the supple leather seats to the intuitive controls, every element is crafted to provide unparalleled comfort and convenience. The journey of luxury is not just about reaching a destination, but about enjoying every moment along the way. It's about the thrill of the open road, the serenity of a quiet drive, and the elegance of a well-made machine. Luxury cars transform ordinary drives into extraordinary experiences, making every journey a memorable one. So, whether you're cruising through the city or exploring scenic routes, a luxury car ensures that every drive is a journey of its own. Embrace the art of luxury and let every drive be a testament to the pursuit of perfection. Luxury cars, redefining the art of driving. From the sleek design to the powerful engines, every detail is meticulously crafted. These vehicles are not just modes of transportation, they are statements of elegance and sophistication. Owning a luxury car is about experiencing the pinnacle of automotive excellence. It's about the journey, the comfort, and the unparalleled performance. With cutting-edge technology and innovative features, luxury cars set the standard for the future. Embrace the art of driving with a luxury car, where every moment is a masterpiece.